Alyssa, do you like it? Yay! Alyssa, do you like it?
Eye, yeah, eye. Eye.
Yay! Yay! Looks like she has glasses too.
There you go. There you go. But don't pull it right here.
You like her shoes? She has shoes, huh? Uh-oh. Fancy Nancy fell down. Oh, my. Do you like it? Alyssa, can you say thank you, Uncle Artie?
You say thank you.
Say thank you. Alyssa. Alyssa. Can you say thank you? Say yay!
You want to stand her up? See if she'll stand.
I'm going to fix her hair.